In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Nano Banana not working on Gemini. So if Nano Banana is not working on Gemini, what you can do is simply try checking your connectivity. Sometimes the problem might be caused because of the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the Gemini. For that, what you have to do is launch open app library of your device. Now find the application for Gemini and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Gemini. Tap on this option storage and cache. Over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now after the cache is cleared, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try updating the Gemini app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Gemini. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Google Gemini and tap on it. Now over here, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the Gemini will be updated. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once you do that, simply open the Gemini application. After you do that, your problem should be solved and the Nano Banana should start working. If it still does not work, what you can do is simply try creating the new chat. Also, make sure to use the simple prompts. Complex editing instructions might fail, so what you have to do is try using the simpler prompts in order to test the functionality. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Nano Banana not working on Gemini. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.